It's Saturday morning and we're getting ready to leave for the racetrack. We got a 2-hour ride in front of us. We're taking a route that's going to take us on back roads, we think. Some kind of road. It's not a highway.
We've not been on it.
Yep, we've never been on it in our lives, so we're going to check it out.
Let's go.
While we're at the track today, we're going to check out some things like the Xfinity race, walk around a little bit.
We're going to see the car.
See some stuff. See our car for the first time in person.
Yeah.
We just stopped at Biscuitville for some breakfast. It's 9:38 in the morning. I think
later than we were going to start, but we got plenty of time.
We got breakfast. So.
We're not in a rush.
We got Biscuitville, so we can't complain about that.
He turns a little grumpy when he gets hungry, so
so it says we're about 2 hours away. We're gonna get there around 11:40.
I think we can do it in an hour.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool truck.
Yeah. Didn't see that coming. I didn't know it was that hard, did you? I don't see no puddles behind us. So we just Dukes of Hazzarded a railroad track by a complete accident. I wasn't paying attention. It sounded like the whole bottom of the car fell off. But we got no puddles behind us, so I guess we're good.
This dude just has a train caboose in his backyard. Like, I think y'all can see it. It's right back there. Like, it even looks like fully restored and everything. So I don't know why he has a train caboose in the backyard, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Just shows you why you should go down the back roads, because you see crazy crap like this. Okay, so we pulled off the road because this caught our attention right here. Stop for a minute to look at this. It is a Tide Racing Team hauler just sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. It's a Ricky Rudd truck. Pretty weird that it's just sitting out here like just rotting away. Don't know. There's trees even growing out of it over there, so pretty crazy. Interesting stuff you see on the side of the road that you don't see if you take the interstate. Like and subscribe. Okay, so we're on this back road and there's a whole bunch of like high-end looking stuff up here in this parking lot. So let's go check it out.
DreamWorks Motorsports.
Impala SS.
Is that a Trackhawk up there?
I think that's a Trackhawk Jeep up there.
I think that's a Jaguar.
I think the brown thing is a Jaguar. Some conversion van. There's a fire truck back there. Some Buick Electra. Hummer. Let's see what else. It's a Caprice, isn't it? Cadillac.
And a Lincoln in front of it.
Yeah, there's a Lincoln right there in front of it. Then there's, looks like 2 Corvettes.
Some car audio wheels.
Ferrari right there. That's pretty nice looking Ferrari. Caprice donk looking thing right there. Pretty nice. That's a Grand National.
No,
it's got a Grand National emblem. That's pretty cool. Bronco. Pretty cool Raptor. I think it's a Raptor.
Told you
that's a Rolls. Yeah, that thing just looks cool.
And we're in Roxborough, North Carolina.
Yeah, we're in Roxborough.
That's a wide body Rolls Royce.
That is awesome. Look at that thing. That thing is so cool. I don't like the SUV, but that one's cool. Huh? There's a M4.
And look, right across the street.
Yeah, right across the street.
You got the Payless Auto Center.
Yeah. I don't know where we are. That's like the Ferrari like whistling diesel blew up too. We just stopped at a Food Lion in Reedsville. We're still continuing our journey. We're not far from the track. 30 minutes away from the track, it says.
30 minutes. We knew we needed to have some drinks for today, so we picked them up at the Food Lion. But the real reason, yeah, that was the real reason. It was 10-100 and 10-200 time. So
someone had to poop.
Yeah,
bad.
That's 10-200 for those of you that don't know.
That.
Here we go. We're getting back on the road.
just got our credentials right here and our parking pass, and we are heading down to where we need to park, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll, after that, we'll be able to see some cars and some racing today.
Silverado gets out of our way.
As soon as the Silverado gets out of our way. We made it here.
We made it, no problems out of the Corvette, which was a
little
surprise.
bit of fluid smells, but hey, it's a,
Yep.
how old is this car? Like 23 years old? 25, right?
He's not very good at math.
I think
but
25.
yeah. It's a 98, so
25.
you can't figure that out.
25 years old.
So here we are, we're at the track finally.
We're right here at the car hauler.
Yep.
Yep, so still haven't seen the car yet, but it should be, practice is starting, so it should be somewhere out there.
Yep.
So
we'll have practice
we're
soon,
going to go watch practice and see what happens.
Like and subscribe our channel.
Practice just ended. Tell because it's busy. There's people running around everywhere in here. Trying not to get ran over by various racetrack equipment such as tires, gas cans, and toolboxes. So that's fun. Where's the car? What you were on a mission to do.
We're going to get some hot dogs. So they have a Martinsville hot dog here that has chili, coleslaw, and onions on it. So we're going to go get one. I don't know, Jet's probably not going to eat it. I'm going to eat one.
Probably just going to get a regular hot dog.
Yeah, he's a sissy. Hot.
Good.
Yeah, you forgot one.
Well, I got a plain. It's hotter than a monkey's balls down here. What?
It is hot as a monkey's balls.
Should have put an extra layer of deodorant on.
What do you stink?
side of the track now. We are in, what is this called? Like the
Midway area?
Midway area, I don't know.
Where they're trying to sell junk?
Where they're selling junk, but there's old cars here.
Yeah, Friday, February 23rd.
Those hand painted on there.
So what they did,
It's not
straight away from the beach.
It's the whole bench seat even.
What they did, they were on
Pretty cool. Old fire extinguisher right there. There's all about the car. Good month. That's This is the Midway area. A whole bunch of stuff to buy. Right. Pretty stage.
Are you sure they can even hear you?
No, I'm not. Chevrolet 10 over there.
And of course, we need to see the Camaro.
Pretty cool ZL1. Don't mind the.
Don't look at
Don't look at the C8 over there. We don't like them. But I do like this Camaro right here. It's pretty much the same as our green one. Just
not a 1LE.
It's not a 1LE. I like the wheels kind of better though. The color of them. Oh, you agree? I wonder if you could get those for ours. Well, ours come in. You see those fast cars over there? I think that's more of my style. I'm gonna race that all the way home. It's Sunday today, which means it's race day.
And this car made it yet again, other than we have a fuel gauge problem and we have no idea how much gas it has or how much it's using.
We also have suspension problems.
Yep, so we definitely got to be ordering some parts. We got to order a fuel pump and a fuel sender and obviously some suspension parts. But we're here, we made it.
We're gonna go check out the racing today.
We had a great day yesterday. We were really tired from yesterday.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go check out some race activities and do some racing things today. Stays this nice at the end of the race.
Maybe we'll get the hood. Maybe not though.
But I would rather it look this nice at the end of the race.
I agree. Speedy Gonzalez. Daniel Suarez and Gonzalez, all this stuff. I'm lined up. Yeah, there's ours. Okay, so here's our pit box right here. We are up here on the pit box. We are going to watch a little bit from here, and then we got stuff in the stands, so we might go over to the stands. But as of right now, we're at the pit box. See all the cars. There's a pace car over there. All the cars. A lot going on.
unfortunately,
150 laps in, I'd say.
yeah, unfortunately, our car is out. Probably because it had Falk'd Up Garage on the hood.
It definitely falked up.
Yeah.
It definitely.
The motor's been running hot since the start, so it was finally time to retire it. So
It blew up.
Here we are.
It would not be a falked up car without being falked up.
Some kind of problem.
Yeah.
So it had the problem. It's just normal for a car with Falk'd Up Garage on it.
It wouldn't be our car without it being falked up.
We didn't even work on this
Yeah.
one. That's the best part. And it
This
still
one
had
probably had the
problems.
most money in it out of all of them.
Probably. Video.
We'll see. Hopefully this one doesn't falk up.
Yeah.
Hopefully
this
one makes
we
it
might
back.
need to peel that off the hood before we leave.